Welcome back. So going on the input function, Isholuwan Tesiwaju. When I ask what is your age and I print this out, okay, even though the age is 45, it still come out as a string, despite the fact that I input 45. So Python by convention, Oman saw results input here, Oman saw the string. So it doesn't matter what data type you put as your user response, it would always come in the form of a string. So a way to change that from string to integer is always to do the cast. And remember, using the cast to int, we use this int function. So when I cast it, so my age, we've done this in the last video series, and so this would convert the string to this to an integer, and we can print it comes out as an integer. So let me debug this and see what we have. I put a breakpoint at line 3. More expect key program echo pause in line 3. Good. What is your age? And it goes over, so our question becomes that. Then now this program is expecting us to put an age and put in 56. If you look over here, you would see this 56 is coming as a string because of this string notation. And at this line 6, this int is going to convert the value from string to integer. Can you see it changed to 56, which is an integer, and if we print the type, it's coming as int. Good. Oh, I probably should not say what is your age. I should say how old are you. Good. So if you wanted to convert this to a float, you could also do the float casting. Okay, I could say ask the user how tall are you. Okay, so I want to name this variable height, and once the user entered how tall they are, I want to convert this to a float and say height. Okay, so let's see the type of the height, and I would run this. How tall are you? Let's say I'm 5'9". Then this changes to a float. I'm going to debug this so you can see. So put a breakpoint on line 3, and the program should pause here. So T-Mobile step over, the question is there asking how tall are you, and so this point, this input is where it's asking for the user's response. So if I do 7.9, this it's coming as a string, but I do not want it to come as a string. I want it to come as a float. Then I am casting it to a float. So this I becomes a float, and I can print a float. In the same sense, I can just go ahead and just print the height, not necessarily the type. So by the print the height here, I would get the user's response. Okay, so let me just run it from here. How tall are you? I guess 7.5, then it would output 7.5. So in the real sense, that makes the difference between the input and the print. So again, the print is just to tell you, just to output a statement out or an expression, while the input is used to ask for the user prompt. So in the next video series, I'm going to be going over decision making, how we can use if and else statement to make a decision, and based on a decision, output whatever value. And we are also going to be using a lot of this input and print statement in the subsequent videos. Thank you for watching this. If you have any comment, feel free to type it in, like and subscribe if you're not already doing so. And I'll see you in the next video. Odabo.